it is. Keep watching. And while you're watching, like and subscribe. And I'm not supposed to ask you to do that at the beginning of a video, but it just seemed like a good opportunity to sneak that in. So we've got about a 40-minute drive. It's a blistering hot day. We are in the EZUZ, the Isuzu V8 1UZFE engine shitbox pickup truck, and this has been giving us some trouble for the last few months, and it appears to have finally got it nailed. New injectors, new tank, new everything. So anyway, we're cruising along in this, and we will see you when we get to our destination. Right, apparently we're a couple of 100 meters away. 100 meters. Is that it on the right? There it is, there it is. Right, I need to do a U-turn. I've just seen where it is, so we'll turn it around in there. Make some noise in the 7-Eleven car park. This one, next one. Idiot. And there we go, another shitbox. So, a couple of schools of thought on this one. Spare parts car for sure, but what I'm wondering about is whether we use the choice parts off of this car, and the headlights are so much better than ours, but I've already bought a set of headlights in the UK, and these I think are slightly different because this is a hatchback, not a builded one. But anyway, yeah, use the choice bits off of this car, you know, like seals. I need the brake booster, the servo, and the master cylinder, and there's other bits and pieces that I need. The wiring loom on this is so much better than ours. The hubs on it have been drilled out on ours, have been drilled out to 114mm, and the calipers on ours are absolutely shot to pieces. So we've got a whole brake system on here. We've got the wheel hubs, the bearings, we've got spare diff, we've got all those bits and pieces. What we can do is we can use them off of here, make ours the best out of two, and in this one we can either build it back up as a rolling car, spit it out, knock it back on, flip it as they say, or we can turn it into a race car, put an SR20 in it or a 1JZ turbo in it and use it as a race car. Anyway, that's something for another day. This is what we've got. I'm going to put more out. We've got some Ford rims on it, with the centre caps. I was thinking that we could cut the roof up and repair our roof, but what I'll probably do is try and repair our roof first, and if I make a good enough job of it, then that's the end of it. If I don't make a good job of it, then we've got this to fall back on. The sunroof insert itself actually looks in better condition, so we can swap those over. The interior is pretty clean, but I don't think it's as nice as ours. The door cars might be nicer. They've made a better job of putting the speakers in. Got some Ford mats in it and stuff like that. Unfortunately, the dash binnacle is a bit dark. It's still cracked. But anyway, there's definitely bits to choose from. I'm a bit confused here because it's got an electric window switch. There's also got a winder on it, so I don't know what that's about. If that's what they were like, a bit weird, but we don't have electric rear windows, we don't have that switch there, we've just got the crank. There's a parcel shelf which is reasonably intact. but we're not going to need. Looks like it's been reinforced there. Tail lights and everything, which are not going to be the same as our Sapphire. So there we have it. Another job for Mr. T. It actually said D, but yeah, Mr. T, the slide on man, you can come and get this tomorrow. What do you reckon? Yeah. Worth it? Yeah. Worth it? There we have it. Sierra LX
316 316 2 ประตู
สบายๆนะใช่ครับ We want a rear end in first. Yeah. There you go, for the front end. Yeah. Rear, yeah. Little bit of stuff out the front, whatever. Yeah, definitely. See where it's been repaired on the rear.
Yeah, you can see it.
It's had a bar welded on it. It's been pulled out. Spoiler there. Second-hand toothpicks in the centre console for anybody that is interested. Yeah, left and right.
How would you control it?
This is like a joystick, so you turn it to left, and then you joystick it like that, and then you turn it to right. So we've got ourselves a set of electric mirrors if we can fix them. Don't know why they're hanging off like that.
Probably the same reason as ours.
What don't we have?
Ooh, skeleton.
Get the camera now.
What's that?
It's got to be a rat in it. You sit up and steer it.
Sure. What should I do with the camera?
Hold it. Stick it on the dash. Straighten it out. Now, then that. See?รุ่นเดียวกันไหมครับรุ่นเดียวกันเลยนะแต่คนละบอดี้เครื่องเดียวกันไหมแล้วของเนี่ยมอเตอร์